This is an OEM cabin air filter. The part number is 87139-0R030. Coming in here, it's a regular glove compartment. You got your manuals and everything. First thing is you're gonna pull this clip here. All you do is stick your finger in there and you pull on it. It pops right out. If this breaks, it's a little hydraulic. Slowly comes out, slowly goes in, and this is a part itself so you can replace. Right here there's your secondary portion. Just press that in and let that come out. That's what's holding it in there. It's riding against this plastic panel right there. Same thing for this one. We're gonna pull on it, releasing this, and once it snaps, it is free floating. If you did not take this off, it's gonna be stuck on there. And another step that I like to do, since these two clips are attached to the bottom of your glove compartment, through here, in order for you not to dump everything down, all you do is release that, pull this up, and set it down. You'll be able to put this in with everything back inside. Right there. All it is, you pinch these two clips here on this side, either this side or the other side, and you pull out on it, and they just ride there. You just flex it this way. See these two clips here? These right in the bottom. So if you put this on backwards, looks like it's the same. It's not gonna go in. All you have to do is rotate that 3. Also remember, this is up, so it only goes one way. Pull this out. Check them side by side. This fits. And here it also has this side up. So this is side up. And I'll be able to put this back in there. Also, if you notice, cover itself, it's got a number 3 there, and it has this side up, so you can't mess it up if you just follow the directions and get the OEM part. This one is really dirty, so I am gonna pull this out. All you do is pinch this a little bit here, pull it up, and it is extremely moldy and dirty. So just put this to the side, just like that. Bring the other one. So push it right back on these two clips here. Write it in, flex this in, and push it straight down. And just like that, you replace your cabin air filter. Just like we brought it out. Slide it right in. That slides right in. Plastic piece. Remember, these go facing down. So as soon as you see these or feel these will fit in the bottom. Especially, I wanted to show you on this side right here. These 2 little clips. I like starting on the left side there. Once I write them in, just go ahead and make sure they fall in place. See how it went in these 2 clips? Once that's in, on this other side, all I do is push on it, and they go right there. And then you can press on them to lock in place on the bottom here and on the top there. Locks in place nice and neat. I'm gonna put the glove box in. 2 little plastic pieces are gonna ride here on this other bigger plastic piece, and on this side as well. See that? So they basically just latch in there, and it latches in there. I went ahead and pressed on it, clipped, and then just push straight out. It's gonna get a little tight, so use your hand, push in. one side, and on the other side, it fell in place. So your glove compartment is back in place. First thing you want to do is you want to pull this out a little bit. At the same time, you can push the glove compartment up, and it clicks right in place. That's it. Place your cabin air filter for a 2021 Toyota Venza.